Guys, good day guys. Yeah, welcome to today's lecture, and today I'll be showing you how to use Fibonacci. Okay, so there are different ways to use Fibonacci and there are different methods, okay, to use Fibonacci. And yesterday night I showed you guys the tricks, okay, in our class yesterday. I showed you guys the tricks and tips, okay, that will guide you and how to use Fibonacci like a pro. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to use Fibonacci on the 1 2 3 pattern. Okay, there's a pattern like this. Okay, this 1 2 3. Okay, there's pattern called 1 2 3 pattern. So when you see price come 1 1 2 3, okay, normally you can't find. Okay, let me show you like as if you're on chart. Okay, sometimes you see charts 1 2. So you identify, you not make this 3 break the 1, make sure the 3 when, okay, let me just show you a trick. Okay, when 1 2, just spot 1 and 2, then when you see a little reversal and it not cross this 1, then it's a 3. Okay, so you see reversal. Okay, price is going. Now there will be a line here. If price breaks it, this will be your entry, then you take a long sell. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to use Fibonacci 1 2 3 pattern. Okay, so let's plot the Fibonacci. So don't forget guys, now I said that these levels, okay, this is the advanced or pro Fibonacci method. Okay, so all these levels will not be on your chart. Okay, it's tomorrow night or this night I'll be revealing how to use this level with different ways. Okay, or I'll be showing you ghastly pattern. Okay, trace in ghastly pattern. So let's just move straight to the video. Okay, this will be, there will be, normally this is how to be 161 in your, when you plot your chart. I don't remove level, please bear with me. In your chart, this will be the levels that are there: 100, 61.8, 50, then 38 and 23 and 0. Okay, all these ones, they are added by myself. Okay, so in the last Fibonacci video, no, that was 2 days ago. Okay, or I think 2 days ago, I showed you guys the different ways. Okay, that I told you that this is a this are the retracement level. Okay, and this level 61 is a golden ratio. Okay, so let's head on to the video. So if you see price, let me just plot the Fibonacci. Okay, let's say you see price, okay guys, so let's say price came from here down, came down, sorry, let's say price went, sorry about that. Okay, so let's say price come like, okay, now this is a trick. Okay, you bring it from okay, let me do this way so you guys understand, so you guys will not be, okay guys. So let's say price went up like this and start retracing. Okay, you now plot your Fibonacci. Okay, from the swing high to swing low. Okay, plot it. So you now target either 61.8 or 50 level. Okay, if price retrace in level 61.8, you wait for a breakout. Okay, in the level, in the I in the I. Okay, so now this is your 2 3 pattern, and price retrace in this golden ratio. Okay, so you cannot take your buy to target level 127 or 138. Okay, so and I've told you guys already that you don't use pattern alone. Okay, you don't ever use pattern alone, you add it with some confirmation. So this night I'll be showing you how I trade it or tricks, but this is just the basics. Okay, and I think I'll be uploading this video on YouTube, so I won't be saying that much, okay? But just learn it, okay? If you see price retraced up, went up, retraced, if you just see any retracement, just plot your Fibonacci, follow the price. If you retrace at, or you can just put a triangle here or rectangle here to spot the zone. So if price retrace in this zone, in which 61.8 and 50, and went and break out, okay, then you now take a buy. And this night I'll be showing you how, because sometimes you price just make small buy and retrace back, okay? So I'll be showing you how to avoid all these tricks, but this is just the basics, okay? I think this also the next video I'll be showing you different techniques on going on with this. If you have any question, you can actually, let me just give one more example. Okay guys, this is an example. If you don't understand, don't worry, when we get to the market, okay, when I show you live trades in the market, okay, you will understand better, okay? So the price came down, retraced at this level 61.8, broke. If you break, it broke this level, this 1 2 3 pattern, broke it, then now target level 127 or 138.2, okay? So maybe in our next video I'll be showing you on live chat, okay, on I'll be going on chat showing you. I just want you guys to know the basics, okay? So we'll be going on chat in the next video, okay?